Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to install both SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio on your computer. SQL Server is a relational database management system, and SQL Server Management Studio is a tool that provides a graphical interface for managing and administering SQL Server databases. Step 1. Downloading SQL Server. The first step is to download SQL Server. You can do this by visiting the Microsoft website and searching for SQL Server Download. Find the official Microsoft website. Click on it. And there you will be able to download the latest version of the software. Scroll down and find Developer Edition. Step 2. Installing SQL Server. Once you have downloaded the software, click on the setup file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Choose Basic Installation. Accept the software license terms. Install in default directory. Now we should wait to download and install all necessary packages. This process may take longer. I will speed up the video. Step 3. Downloading and installing SQL Server Management Studio after you have installed SQL Server. The next step is to download SQL Server Management Studio. You can do this by clicking Install SSMS. From there, you will be able to download the latest version of the software. Find and click Free Download SQL Server Management Studio. This process may take longer also. Step 4. Installing SQL Server Management Studio. Once you have downloaded the software, click on the setup file to begin the installation process. Just click on Install button. Step 5. Starting the program and connecting to a SQL Server database after the installation of SQL Server Management Studio is complete. Launch the application. Click on Start and search SQL Server Management Studio. In the Connect to Server dialog box, enter the name of the SQL Server instance you want to connect to and select the authentication method. If you are using a local SQL Server instance, you can use Windows authentication. This includes creating and modifying databases, creating and running queries, and managing security and permissions. That's it. I will create sample database named Test1. I will check if it created database. Database is here. Nice. I will also create database on second way, using new query and command create database. Also, if you forget server name, you can use .dot as a default server name for your local instance. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.